Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun, and today I'm going to show you how to take out the flywheel out from your Vespa engine. Let's check it out. To take out the flywheel out from the engine, you need a special tool. The special tool is called flywheel puller here. But be careful, there are many sizes available in the market which according to your spec of the flywheel. Some of them big, some small. For example, this one is the late PX model. It used 28. It's a M28 here. But before, the early PX is used a smaller size of puller, which I will recommend you in the other clip how to select the correct one size of your flywheel. But this one, I'm going to demonstrate you how to take out only. Okay, so let's get started. First you have to lose the flywheel cover nut here. And this is a very good trick that you just use the spark plug tools. Stop the flywheel here. It will equal to you use the flywheel stopper too. And now you can lose it. After you lose the flywheel nut cover, you just insert the flywheel tools there. Okay. For the flywheel tool, you have to use the open wrench here to lock and then tie it up. When you hear the clack sound, it means the flywheel is already loose, and then you can roll it slowly. And that's it. So now you can service on your stator plate area. For example, you can check around, and that's it. I hope this clip is useful for you. Stay tuned on my channel and see you next clip. Bye.